Assalamu alaikum, good evening. I am Lakmi Langa and you are watching Learn English with Lakmi. ये हमारी थर्ड पार्ट है भाई, इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस विथ स्टूडेंट्स. ये हमारा थर्ड पार्ट है और ऑलरेडी वी हैव रिकॉर्डेड 2 पार्ट्स एंड दिस इज़ द थर्ड पार्ट. और इसमें भाई स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आई हैव डिवाइडेड 2 ग्रुप. फर्स्ट ग्रुप इज़ फेवर ऑफ सिटी लाइफ एंड सेकेंड ग्रुप फेवर ऑफ विलेज लाइफ. Let's we talk to them. Okay, first I'm going to give the chance to those who are favor of village life. हाँ भाई, Jawad, can you tell me something about the village life?
Yeah, sir. So, if we talk about village or village life, first of all, village is a best thing for everyone because there is an open atmosphere and villagers life is very easily and free life. If you talk about city life, it is a very difficult and sluggish life because there is a numerous type of facilities but we cannot choose and we cannot use because villagers are very intelligent and they are hard worker. They do work on daily basis, but if you talk about the citizens, they are sluggish. Therefore I like villagers life and villagers.
Okay, he is Jawad. He said that villager life is better than a city life. Let's we are ask the another group. They are favor of city life. Okay, Sheriar, what do you want to say about a city life?
Sir, according to my thoughts, in cities there is lots of facilities. In village there is no any side of facilities. Sir, if facilities is available in village life, then why we came here for teaching? There is a lot of centers, there is a lots of private school, and you know that, sir, there is sir, every facility is available in a city, but in city there is no any side of gas, there is no any sides of suitable in village, sir.
Yeah.
There is no any side of a street, a good street, but in city you can see that everyone mohalla there is a good street, good street and good means facilities in Jekmabad or in other cities, sir.
Yeah, he is a Sheriar. Also, he said that why city life is better than village life because there are numerous facilities in cities and we have a good education atmosphere here and they have electricities. Let's we go another group to ask them why they prefer to a village life.
Yes, sir. If I talk about village life is so well of city life.
Yeah.
So you can eat pure food and you can drink pure milk. So this is village life.
Okay. He said that in village life they have a fresh vegetables and also they eat fresh food and definitely in village life there is no pollutions, there is fresh air. Okay, now another group. What do you want to say about city life? Why city life is better than village life?
Sir, as my brother said, Jawad, that there is pollution in city life and there is open atmosphere and there is pure environment, you know that. But it doesn't fulfill our needs. In our needs, there are many private schools and communication towers and you know that many kinds of shops and there are also hospitals. In village life, if anyone is in disease, that he has to come in city. But in say if we are living in city, that we don't have to go far away for our treatment. So that's why the city life is better than village life.
Okay. And that guy said that city life is better than village because we have a lot of facilities like in hospitals, schools and college. And we have easy to reach in a clinic or hospital for the treatment. And now I will ask the both groups and everyone raise his hand and then I will give it to a mic that group and he can tell his views. Okay, what do you think about that? If you have got the chance, where do you live? Do you live in city life, in where village life?
Sir, instead of we live in a city, but in big city, not a small city, sir.
Okay, why do you not live in a small town or small city?
Sir, because you know that in small town there is no any side of facilities, pure facilities of electric and other sections. Yeah, now you know that, sir. In Jekmaba there is a lot of hotness, but there is no any side of electricity, sir. And you know that in Karachi there is a lot of facilities of electricity, but in Jekmabad we have no any side of facilities of electricity, sir. So that's why.
That's why he said that if you will move to metropolitan cities, they have no problem of electricity and power. That's in Jacobabad is too hot city to live here, so that's why they prefer to go to in metropolitan city to live over there. Yeah, what do you want to say?
Sir, I want to say that if I would be able to get chance where I have to live, I will choose village, because he's saying that one is saying that he will be prefer to live in metropolitan city. Okay, he's saying because he is a sluggish, because they are dependent on electricity. If we talk about the villagers, they are independent because they are able to live in hotness. They are hard workers, how they are growing food for ourselves, how they are doing work in a fields. First, you have to be mindful how they are working. But if we talk about the citizens, they are living in air conditioners, so therefore they are being lazy day in day out. Therefore, they have facilities. I'm accepting facilities are good for ourselves, but we should have to do something with ourselves, because if we would be able to do something with our energy, then we can prove a good person in the world.
Yeah. He is Jawad. He said that if we are doing some things in ourselves, that we will have a great energy and we will be the powerful person, and we can save what conditions we are living. We are living in hot city or cool city, but the energetic people, they can face in everything. That was in small discussion between city life and a village life. Do you want to say anything about that?
So my brother said that there are active and hard worker people in village, and they are independent. I fully agree with that. But in city, we don't need to live in hotness. If you have money to transfer to shift in a big city, and there is a air conditioner and many more facilities, then why don't you come in? Because if you need to work hard, then you will work hard. And if I don't need to work hard, I will not. And I also want to say that there is a app Noon Academy, and many students are studying and learning freely because of Noon Academy. There are many cell phone towers and networks, but in village there is no that kind of facilities.
Yeah. Absolutely right. I'm agree with you. You said there's according to education that we should move toward the city because we have a lot of facilities and there is internet and we can study through the internet. And he said that we have a Noon app where we have to study in internet. That was a great point of view. I agree both that village life is also good for the people and also the city life. The both lives are need to the person, and it depend on the thinking. Both depends in each others. Okay, and citizens depend on the villagers because villager produce any sort of wheat, rice and fruit that and the persons need such kind of these foods. And also if we talk about the city, as far as I'm concerned, that I think that in city there are a lot of facilities of education and also hospitals, and there's a big park. The people need to fresh go on to different places to visit theirs, and they will forget their worries. That was in great discussion between both groups, and I think that if we are going to talk about this again and again, this topic will be not end. And you have watched that how the student they are able to speak. Really, I appreciate all of you. You did a great job. Thank you very much.